Okay, hello friends. My name is Dharmen Singh. So today in this video, I discuss about interface. What is the interface in Java? What is the importance of interface and how to implement interface in Java? So we actually in some time is some terminology. Why using Java? So this what do you check there? Interface in Java mechanism to achieve abstraction means if through Java, through interface, Java achieve the abstraction part. So in this part, you only abstract method, not body. Like that, you can simple use, suppose, as a one method like print. So just use the abstract of the method and not full print things. You can use anywhere in class. It used to achieve, and second thing is multiple inheritance in Java. If you know about the inheritance, so Java not support multiple inheritance, means not extend the class more than one. So these things is solved by using the interface. So why using the Java? Why use Java interface? There are some reason. First thing is use achieve abstraction. Means how to find the abstraction. Abstraction you well know about in OOPS concept is very important. By interface you can support functionality of multiple inheritance. Is not possible in Java. It can be used achieve loose coupling. This terminology we well know about. So means use this interface anywhere, not a particular things. So interface these following things provide to you. So in this way you can design interface and find achieve the abstraction part. So these are the way how to use class to class using extensivert, interface to class using implement, and interface to interface using the extract. So these types of keywords we used during the implementation and extends the interface class to class in various types of way. This is a very simple example. So first thing is how to write interface. So using the term keyword is interface. Terminology use interface. Then after you can write printable. In this part, if you observe that white print one method use. So how to implement these things in your class? So in this example, if you observe that class A implements term word use and printable interface, you can say directly implement that after you write public void print, this is the method. You can with write a body system out dot println hello. So this is the complete part. Then after using the main method, you can create an object of class A and after using print method. So just we checked. So this is the one way. You can easier way you can write a interface. Second example, suppose if you use interface name is drawable and method is draw. So how to use these things? Using the class name is rectangle, implement drawable. Okay, you can implement. Then after you as a second class circle, you can implement. So you can use many classes. And after the main class test interface, one create object, drawable object create, and this object you can use d dot draw. D is object of circle. Meaning is clear. Drawable equal to new is a circle. Is a one thing. So example get drawable. So how to use d dot draw. So this is the one way. How to use the interface is first user, second user, and third user also. Suppose next example is suppose bank. In this bank example, like bank interest rate of interest. This bank interface, we can apply in this example various types of bank, SBI, PNB. So first class SBI implement bank. So using float rate of interest, just return value 9.5 something, 9.7F. And then after how to use, so bank create an object, bank B equal to new SBI. So system.ro B dot rate of interest. So automatically system get a value of B dot interest of SBI object of create SBI object. Next example. Suppose in this example we observe that two interfaces there. One is the printable and second is swayable. So how to implement both things? So just implement printable, comma, swayable. So two methods use, and after two methods create object and show. So this is the way how to use more than one interface in particular class. Next is there. Next example, we use one interface polygon. They are using one method, various types of parameters, two parameters are there. Implement word use. Then after this implement word, we use area of rectangle. Reason is that if you find the abstract method using two parameters. So in this example, rectangle use polygon area. So we observe that basic phenomena is same. So automatically we get the answer. Rectangle R1, new rectangle, and R dot get area. When you pass the value, automatically you get the result of rectangle. Next example is a very good example of interface. Okay, how to use these things are there. So in this example, you observe that is one animal eat, one interface. Second is animal travel. So these two interface we create. One method wide eat, second is travel. Class animal use. We implement both animal eat and travels. Is a method eat and travels use. So when you apply so any answer is animal is eating and in stably. So I hope you understand the basic things, what is the interface and how to use. Okay, thank you.